Good day, class. This is Mr. Adewale, your teacher, your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to be considering angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. I know you all want God to elevate you, so we're considering angle of elevation. What do you mean by angle of elevation? Angle of elevation is if you are standing. Let's imagine that there is a mango tree, and you are standing and you are looking up at a mango fruit on top of the tree. You are looking up. The angle that your eyes makes with the horizontal. There's an object up now. There is an object up. You are looking up. So the angle that your eyes makes with the horizontal, that's angle of elevation. Do not forget, you are looking up. Now your eye level, the angle that your eye makes with the horizontal, that's angle of elevation. And that's what we are considering today. So can we quickly, let's check the questions that we have. Can we check the question?
Okay.
So question 1, the angle of elevation of the top of a vertical building. Now you have a vertical building now. You are looking at the top, like I described for you now, from a point Z on the ground is 50 degrees. If the height of the building is 124 meters, find the distance from Z to the foot of the building. So can we do it now? Imagine that we have a building. Let this be our building. Let this be our building. This is our building, the height of the building. Now, and this is the object. Let's say this is the object. This is your eye. If this is the object, this is the eye of the object. And you are looking from here, you are looking at the top of the building. Looking at the top of the building from your eye, from this eye level. You are looking at the top of the building. So, note that this is the top of the building. Now, you are looking at the top of the building. I said angle of elevation is the angle that your eye, this is your eye, makes with the horizontal. So the angle of elevation will be here. You are looking at that, but the angle that your eye makes with the horizontal. So now let's check the question again. The angle of elevation of the top of a vertical building from the point Z. This is the point Z now. Where your eye is now. Let's call it point Z. Now is 50. So this is angle is 50 degrees. So if the height of the building, from the question we have it is 124 meters. The height of the building, so see it. Can you see it here? The height of the building is 124 meters. You have to find the distance. This is the foot of the building. Let's call it F. The distance. We want to calculate the distance. This place, ZF. That's the distance we want to get. So if you don't forget, I hope this is clear to you. This interpretation is the first thing when you are dealing with angle of elevation. So you remember our SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA, that's sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan is opposite over adjacent. So this is the angle here. We want to find this. We want to find ZF. This is the adjacent. The one under is the adjacent. So do not forget, let me draw it here for you. If you have something like this, the right angle triangle, this is the right angle. If the angle is here, theta is here. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent. Don't forget, this is the hypotenuse. The longest side is always the hypotenuse. So with this understanding, so this is the adjacent. So we want to find adjacent, you have the opposite. That means tan, opposite tan. That's the opposite and adjacent. So tan, what's the angle? 50. Will be opposite. That's 120. Will be opposite over what? Adjacent. And that is what? 124 over adjacent. That's ZF. So what do we do? Can we cross multiply? Cross multiply. So ZF tan 50 will be 124. So line the ZF, the distance ZF will now be 124 all over tan 50. If you press your calculator, tan 50 is 1.1918. So if you divide this, then you get 104.05 meters. So that's the value. That's the distance ZF. I hope this is clear and straightforward. Do not forget, angle of elevation is when you are looking up. The angle that your eyes makes with the horizontal is the angle of elevation. God bless you. Can we read together? A boy stands at a point M